You're watching a J Productions Lego series.
I will see you guys later. I gotta go talk to Natalie.
Hey, Jordan, I was thinking that we could hang out.
I'm sorry, V, but I need to go talk to Natalie.
Oh, I was on my way to talk to her too. Can I walk with you?
OMG, she's coming with me. How am I supposed to tell Natalie now? Sure, let's go. Hey Jordan, hi V.
Hi, girlfriend. How's it going?
It's going good. I was about to go eat some dinner.
Oh, can I come?
Sure. I need to talk to you, Natalie. Sure, Jordan, what's up? I actually wanted to call you later and, talk to you about something. Okay, it's private. Okay, sounds good. I will text you when me and V are done eating. Oh, I can't come? No, Jordan, but me and her need to have a little chat. Okay, I will chat with you girls later then.
That guy looks good over there.
Let me go burn him up a little, then we can dig in.
Okay, give me a sign or something to know when to go and eat.
Okay, I'll raise my hands up and that will be your cue. Hey man, it's me. You won't never believe who I'm watching eating someone's neck off. It is not my mom. No, it is not my dog. Okay, are you done guessing? It is your ex-girlfriend, V. She's a vampire now, dude. What do you want me to do? Yes, you are a genius. So I should follow her around. But dude, she's a cop. I can't do that. Yes. Yes. Now that sounds perfect. I will do that.